Hello, my name is Grant Fritchie. I work for Redgate Software. I want to talk to you a minute about monitoring. Monitoring is a really important part of what we do. Keeping an eye on, how things are performing, where things are at, what's up, what's down, what caused the problem, where are there problems. All this kind of stuff all around monitoring is extremely important. It's an inescapable part of what we do, and just literally fundamental to our job. I mean, we need to know that the production servers are online, available, and all that fun stuff. Extremely important. Can't get away from it. An aspect of monitoring that is easy to overlook, even somewhat hard to manage, is the alerting process. And well, how to say this? It's hard to get it right. Alerting is very difficult. What we need to get is something pure. We want signal. We want nothing but pure signal. Tell me what I need to know. Tell me when I need to know it. If a server has gone offline, tell me now. If a server might go offline in a week, let me know, a week ahead of time so I have some time to get things ready. If, a process is degrading, give me some information so I can, deal with that, right? And so this is a whole series of different types of alerting that's going to come into play, right? It's not like one cookie cutter, if X, then Y, right? There's subtlety, there's nuance, and therefore the signal can get muted or lost, and what instead you get is noise, and that's where things break down. The whole concept of alerting has to be tuning your signal to noise ratio to ensure that you're getting a maximum amount of signal and a minimum amount of noise. Now, I know how it goes, right? I did this. I absolutely did this. I set up a monitoring tool. I will not name which one it was. It was not this one. I set up a monitoring tool, and I turned it on, and it started sending me email. What did I do? Well, I did the simple thing. I wrote a little rule inside of Outlook that sent all of that email to the trash can. Yeah, fixed it. No more noise, plenty of signal. Well, okay, no signal at all. In fact, if I had gone in and tuned the alert a little bit, I would have then gotten the message that one of our databases wasn't getting backed up properly, and I could have fixed it before we needed to run a restore. Yeah, it's that kind of story. So look, here's the deal. Alerting is vital. Alerting is just absolutely something you're going to have to do and something you have to deal with. Here's Redgate's approach. We are trying to come up with as many ways as possible to help you with alerting, to manage your alerting. But if you look at the initial setup of SQL Monitor, we will actually show you, hey, alerting, big important thing. Maybe you need to take a look at this now. As part of the setup of your server, take a look at monitoring. Alerting. And then over time, you should be going back and rechecking those alerts. Never fall into that trap of turning stuff off because it's too noisy. Tune the alert. If database X should never raise that alert, or you don't care about database X, great, turn it off there. If server Y is something that you don't care about this alert, turn it off there. Don't turn off the whole alert, because at which point, when on server A, which you care about deeply, it goes offline or has a problem or something else, you've turned off the alert that would have let you know that vital bit of information. So you need to make sure you're going through the process of tuning the alerts, adjusting them over time, and capturing those things. And we provide all those tools to get that done. So please, absolutely download, take a look at SQL Monitor, but when you do, when you start setting it up and when you start using it, please tune the alerts. You will then get a higher signal to noise ratio. You'll be happier with me. You'll be happier with Redgate. and you'll be much happier with your product, but most importantly, you'll be happier with your systems so you can manage your estate appropriately and get things done. That's it. My name is Grant Fritchie. I work for Redgate Software.